Good morning, students. Let us continue the lesson learning the game from the passage. That was the last part of my training, and I would be completely exhausted by the end of it. It was a routine I would repeat right through my summer holidays, and it helped me to build up physical and mental stamina. Occasionally, my father came to take me home, and I would always ask him to treat me to a special fruit cocktail at a juice center near the club. While this regular demand was a little unreasonable, because at that time I did not realize that my parents also had to take care of the needs of my brothers and sister, my father would invariably end up giving me what I wanted, just to see me happy. On other days, when I made my way home from Shivaji Park on my own, I would often fall asleep on the bus. If I managed to sit down, anyone who has been on a Mumbai bus at peak hours will know just how difficult it is to get a seat. On days when I was not so lucky, it was still a challenge just to stand with the kit bag because the bus conductors would inevitably complain about me taking up the space of another passenger. It could be embarrassing because the conductors were often rude and would sometimes ask me to buy two tickets. I didn't have the money for a second ticket and I had to learn to take these remarks in my stride. Dirty clothes often added to the embarrassment. With time, I evolved a way of wrapping the kit bag around me, just as the helmet and pads became a part of me. While batting, so the kit bag became an extension of me on the bus. I would often take the bus or train from Bandra to Church Gate, and it was all a great learning experience. Students, what do we understand in these passages? So, when his father came to take Sachin from the training camp, Sachin was really very much exhausted. Exhausted means tired. Exhausted means Sachin was very tired by the end of the session. And also, usually, Sachin would force his father to buy him a special fruit cocktail. A special fruit cocktail. Cocktail means a mixed drink which is a combination of ingredients such as fruit juice, flavored syrup, or cream. So, Sachin was fond of that special fruit cocktail, so he would ask his father or he would force his father always to buy him at a juice center near the club. And also, Sachin just shares his experiences on the bus when he was coming out of the camp, when he was coming to his house. So, what kind of experiences he had on the bus? So, Sachin says he would be very happy. Suppose he has an opportunity to sit on a seat, because in Mumbai city it is very difficult to get a seat on that very peak hours, so that Sachin would be very happy if he have a chance to take a seat. Then if he have a chance to take a seat, then he would fall asleep, sound sleep. So this would give him a kind of comfort or relaxation because he had practiced for long hours. In this way, Sachin just shares his experience on the bus, and also the things he had kept from the camp would also be very disturbing to the passengers on the bus, because he had kept a bat and a kit bag and everything, helmet. These things were very disturbing for the passengers, so that the conductor would often uh, warn him or scold him that you have to take another ticket for another passengers, because you have taken the place of two passengers. In this way, Sachin felt a lot of uncomfortable or difficulties during his practicing time. So he developed a way of wrapping the kit bag around him. So he just covered the kit bag and everything, just as a helmet and the pads. So these things, and also he had so many experiences in the railway stations and buses also. So these things we understand in the passages. Let us go to the next passage. Even though I loved cricket, there were still occasional days when playing with my friends at home was such fun that I would conveniently forget I was supposed to go to the nets. If I didn't turn up, Achrekar sir would jump onto his scooter and come to find me. Sir would spot me in the melee and virtually drag me out. I would come up with excuses, but he would have none of it. He would get me to change and head off to Shivaji Park. Okay, students. So sometimes Sachin would be very casual. Sachin would cut the training sessions so that suppose Sachin cuts the training session, the coach Achrekar would immediately uh, take a scooter and come to Sachin's house. And also, Sachin would feel very sorry for his not coming to the training session. And the coach would also tell Sachin a lot of advice while driving, while taking him to the training camp area. So, let us see in the passages. On the drive, he would tell me, don't waste your time playing insane games with these kids. So, that was his very good advice. Don't waste your time. Cricket is waiting for you at the nets. Practice hard and see what magic can transfer. So, Coach Achrekar would advise Sachin that he should not waste his time. Time is precious for him because he is such a talented person in cricket. Cricket is waiting for Sachin. In this way, Coach Achrekar would advise Sachin. Transpire means come to be known or revealed. Okay, if you give importance or if you practice hard, then you can see what kind of magic will come out. You can see that the coach would advise like this to Sachin. Let us go to the next passage. We needed to have proper career orientation. In this passage also we are going to see the advice told by the coach to Sachin. Your personality plays an important role in choosing the type of career you want. Choose something you enjoy and really want to do, and you will be successful. So you have to select what you like the most, then you will be successful. That is the ultimate advice from the coach Achrekar to Sachin. So this is what we have to follow. So we have to select what we enjoy, what we like very much. Then if we continue pursuing that, uh, then we will be successful in our life. At the time I hated being dragged off, but as I look back I feel sheepish about my actions and I can only admire Achrekar's far-sightedness. So uh, Sachin says here that when Achrekar sir would compel me to come to the training session, then I would feel very sheepish. Sheepish means very shame. Okay, so sometimes I would feel why I have to keep on practicing very hard. But Sachin says, if I look back now, if when I look back, then I feel very sheepish, and my actions and can only because of Achrekar's far-sightedness. So now I have become a very good cricketer. This is only because of Achrekar's far-sightedness. Far-sightedness means showing a prudent awareness of future possibility. Showing a prudent awareness of future possibilities. So he was the only person, Achrekar was the only person who showed Sachin the possibilities of future, future possibilities. In this way, Achareka shaped Sachin to become a very good cricketer. Sir also punished me on one occasion when trying to teach me a very important lesson. So, Sachin got punishment also from the coach. Once I bunked, so cut. So I was absent. Sachin was absent for his daily evening practice to watch an inter-school cricket match, not anticipating that Sir would be there. One day, what Sachin did, he was absent to the usual training session. Without attending the usual training session, he simply went to watch an inter-school cricket match. But he did not expect that coach will be there. Coach would be at that place. So that was completely shocking for Sachin. Anticipating means expecting. So Sachin did not expect that coach Achareka would be at that match. He was angry and he said it was not for me to come and watch other people play for. If I practiced hard enough, one day people from across the world would come and watch me play. Had it not been for Sir, I would not be the cricketer I turned out to be. He was a strict disciplinarian and did everything he could for me. I owe myself to him. So finally, Sachin concludes that only because of if I have got all these achievements in my life, that they are only because of my coach Achrekar. If he had not been in my life, had it not been for Sir, if I had not got Sir Achrekar, then I would not become a very good cricketer. Now people from all over the world would not know who is Sachin. So for this, Sachin tells in his life for the tremendous progress. This is only because of Achrekar sir. Achrekar sir was a reasonable person, responsible person for the Sachin's this much of tremendous progress. With this, Sachin concludes his experience through this lesson. Students, with this, the lesson comes to an end. Thank you.